Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Ganesh SBM Special Advisor. Today I am very interested to give the very valuable information which is related to the biomedical engineering services. So one by one I am providing all informations, and upcoming days practical videos also I will provide all things. Please keep watch on my channel. And in this video I will cover VORTEX MIXER, how it will be used, what are the services and repairing and handling, and how to manage this equipment we have to intimate. Yes friends, so many videos I provided and different equipment, different topics related biomedical engineering field. So I hope you can understand my words. So in this picture, how real mixer, VORTEX mixer. So you can see here how to repair, what are the things inside available in this machine. So in this type of, this is biomedical equipment we know very well. So I interested to give the very valuable information, I hope. So I am also have not have time. Whenever I have time, then I will provide the very valuable informations. And upcoming days, so ICS wise, department wise equipment, I will go there and direct view I will give the informations about this topic, friends. I hope you can understand my situations, because of I am also doing as a biomedical engineer, senior biomedical engineer NHM. So whatever we have talented, definitely we have to implement in work life, and at the same time we have to give the information who are upcoming biomedical engineers. Yes friends, yes. And one more thing is, so already I prepared content wise. So basically what part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. So whenever free I will give all informations one by one. It takes time, but at the end of the day definitely you will get all information what I prepared the information through my channel. Definitely you will get the values of biomedical engineering. So here you can see only checking, repairing, observing the VORTEX mixture. Thank you so much.